thank you to everyone. Like it's been a real amazing journey. I've been on many courses, as many of you have, probably know as well, that you've been on many courses as well. Very well accomplished dentists here and surgeons. But I've never made a family. I've never made a group of friends at a course or anything. I never expected it either. And I was supposed to do this course in 2018. I actually had a phone call with Mukesh a while ago. So it was always in my mind, to do this. And after I had seen like various things, I like to plan and I like to understand what I want to do, and it was a no-brainer for me. Like I had to go ahead and do a course which I knew would deliver. And Sam has been amazing. I've learned a lot from him, and he's always been there. Mukesh is unforgettable, even if you tried. Even if you tried, yeah, I will always mind the gap. And Azhar has, he reminds me, I was speaking to Gaurav, and to be honest, it's quite good timing, but he reminds me of Paddington, like an honest, true individual that is always there and speaks the truth, and quite frankly speaks the truth, which is a quality in itself. It's been really good. It's been really good, and I do feel like I'm confident enough to be able to place and place implants as they promised. I do feel like I will have support in the future, and I'm obviously always there as well to support wherever I possibly can. So yeah, you guys have you may not know it, but you've got a good friend here, and I hope I have too. Thank you.